If you're using Site View in your project, you may want to set a default location for any new entry created from a particular content type. Take blogs for example. In this project, we'd like all these blogs to exist under /blog. And any new entry created, we want it to be inserted here. Let's take a look at setting the location in the Content Type Builder. So I'd head over to the sidebar and select Content Modeling, and then Content Types. We want to edit the blog post content type. And then from the Details panel, if we scroll down to Location, click the Location field to set the location, and we'll choose Blog from the tree and click Apply. Follow that by a Save and a Publish. Now, any new entry created from this content type will be placed at /blog. So let's create a new entry and see that setting applied. Click on Entries, click on New Entry. I'll choose Blog Post from my new content type list, and we'll create one called This is my new blog post at default location. Let's save that entry, and upon saving the entry we can see it's now been saved at /blog. This is my new blog post at a default location. And we can take a look at what that looks like in Site View as well. And from the blog node, we'll now see that we've got a blog post called This is my new blog post at a default location. So that's setting a default location for entries in Site View.